From here 5, 6, 7, 8. मोरे आंगना में द्वारे ऐसा मोहक रूप सजारे नीले पीले लाल गुलाब हो गए नैन कजरारे. Switch to, switch to, switch to, switch to. अरे कारे 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 कोई गाम आयो मारे ढोली जम के ढोल बजा ढोली जम के ढोल बजा रे. Hey, you guys will do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. रंगीलो मारो ढोलना ढोलना रे. हे 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 हे. अरर आयो रे मारो ढोलना आयो रे मारो ढोलना. Next step after this. आयो रे मारो ढोलना. 1, 2. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1 and 2, just 2. So it's out, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, instead of doing the hands, just hold your lehengas and just take the circle so there is no confusion who is doing what hand. So turning from the right side, and I'll give you the count once I listen to the music again. So switch, and then switch.
So we'll do it from the right side.
Yeah.
Because I always return.
I don't know, last time they did something and then everyone practiced that way, so I don't want to change it.
No, we always turn it from the left.
Okay, so keep the left then. So that you don't have to remember, right? Keep left, so that all turns here. You don't get confused. So you just go, I'll get the music on, you stay here. Now doing that circle, my question is, can you guys from the corners come right a little bit closer to make a semicircle or a circle?
Actually, so I'll be behind doing this.
Okay, so go back to your spot. Then it would be easy to form the circle then, if you're behind. So if there is no one, then you should go there. You're like on one side of the stage. Jenny, come. But when she come in the middle, yes. So this is your position? Okay. So then it should be much better to do just form the circle. So what you will do forming the circle, you will just turn at the end of your circle and just face here, same with you, and just adjust. You guys go a little bit behind for that circle. I'm talking about this. So you go 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Circle, adjust your positions. Circle, adjust your positions. Yeah, and then let's forget the sitting part. Just make the circle a little bit nice, close circle, and then we'll just we'll just do this, or you guys all can look outside and do this. We can do this, or we can do the semicircle and finish with this. Whatever you guys like. This was this. Okay, come. Semicircle will look good. These guys.